says from Saudi Arabia, he wanted to marry a second wife without telling his first wife. His first wife came to know. Now she's asking for divorce. How can he convince her not to get a divorce and to come back and to believe him when he says that he will not do that again or attempt to do it again? This is, with all due respect, I'm like your father. Huh? If you can't stand the heat, get out of the kitchen. You should not have attempted this from the first place. If you are not a man enough to get married to a second woman, don't even dream about it, because your first will come in your dreams and give you hell. This is a well-known fact. They have the power to get into your dreams, unfortunately. And ask me, I've been there, I've done that. No, I'm just kidding. So what is the issue? I get a lot of men in your shoes complaining, what to do, Sheikh? If you did not weigh the pros and cons, you should not have attempted it in the very beginning. A man who wants to marry a second wife, whether in public or in secret, he has to be man enough to evaluate the situation if his first wife were to know. So if your first wife would, if she was to know about your marriage, what are the consequences? What are the things that may happen? One, she may accept it and stay home quiet, which is 50-50. Most women are sensible. Yeah, they will be a little bit depressed, but they'll accept it as long as he's providing a house and he's paying the bills and he's half of the time there. He's showing compassion to his children and to her. So she's just losing him a day, every alternate day. To me, that's a good deal. See, that she doesn't have to cook on that day. She doesn't have to wear new clothes or take care of herself. She could do her hobbies and whatever she wants. 50% of women are sensible. There are the other 50% that would, blow a fuse and they would go haywire. Now, if you know that this is an alternative and a choice, you should weigh the pros and cons. Meaning, if you are in real need to get married to a second wife, and this is well known for reasons this is not the time to disclose, in this case, you should bear in mind that if she wants a divorce, that you're ready to give it to her. Because it's her fault that you're looking for a second wife. Maybe she's not fulfilling your desires. 95%, this is the case. Maybe she's not taking care of you. Maybe she's always with her parents and with her family. Maybe she is nagging. Maybe she's impolite, disrespectful, never grateful, or showing her gratitude to whatever you do. Yeah, such a woman, you have to get another wife. And if you get another wife and she demands divorce, so what? What has to be done has to be done. But if you know that, no, she's a good woman, and I can't live with her, I can't live without the children, and I can live with a single wife, I can't get rid of the idea. So don't even attempt getting married to a second wife. So at the end, this is your call, akhi. How to deal with her, how to speak with her, how to, I wouldn't say humiliate yourself by going down on your knees and begging for forgiveness and giving promises not to do that again. This is at the end of the day, it's your call, but you have to weigh the pros and cons. Ishad